In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Docs files from Google Drive. We all know the panic that sets in when you realize you've accidentally deleted an important document, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of retrieving those files step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com. This will take you straight into your Google Drive, a cloud storage service where all your Google Docs files are stored. Google Drive acts as a digital filing cabinet, safeguarding your documents and other files. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this platform as it is the hub for all your Google Workspace files. Once you're in your Google Drive, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of options listed there. Keep an eye out for one that says Trash, though in certain regions, you might find it labeled as Bin. Go ahead and click on that link. This area functions as a temporary holding zone for the files you delete, which means that all files that have been removed in recent times are stored here. Now that you're in the Trash or Bin folder, this is where you'll embark on a bit of a treasure hunt. You'll see a list of all the files you've deleted. Your task is to browse through this list carefully to locate the Google Docs files that you wish to recover. This list might be long, especially if you delete files frequently, so take your time to ensure you don't miss anything. Once you've identified the document that you want back, you have a couple of options. If your goal is to restore a file, simply right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up with several choices. Click on Restore and voila, the file will gracefully return to its original location in your drive as if it never left. On the other hand, if you come across files that you definitely don't need anymore and are ready to let them go, you can choose to delete them permanently. Again, just right-click on the file in question. In the context menu, select Delete Forever to erase it for good. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're restoring or saying goodbye to files, it's a straightforward process. Keep in mind, files remain in your trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted automatically. So it's always a good idea to check this section if you've accidentally deleted something and need it back. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.